Welcome back to hyderabadwala.com. This is Yasmeen and today I'll show you how to make Achari Sabzi or vegetable curry with a pickle flavor. Let's make the spice powder for this curry. We need 2 teaspoons coriander seeds or dhaniya, 2 teaspoons cumin seeds or zeera, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds or rye, 1 teaspoon fenugreek seeds or methi dana, and half teaspoon black seeds or kalonji. Roast all these spices together till they turn brown. Grind into a very fine powder. Add half cup oil to the pan. Add 250 grams potatoes peeled and cut into medium-sized pieces. Add half cup carrots cut into 2-inch pieces. 1 cup big pieces of cauli-florets. Half cup beans cut into 2.5-inch pieces. Stir fry all these vegetables for about 2 minutes. Add half cup green peas. Stir fry for a few seconds and then remove from the pan. Overfrying will lead to hardening of peas. Into this remaining oil, add 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. You can remove the excess oil and use oil as per your requirement. Add 1 teaspoon mustard seeds. Let crackle. Add 1 big onion diced. Add 5 whole dry red chillies. Fry the onions till they turn light brown. Add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Stir fry for a few seconds. Add half teaspoon turmeric powder. Add 3 tomatoes chopped. Two tablespoons curry leaves. Cook till the tomatoes get tender. Add 3 teaspoons red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon spices or garam masala powder. Add 2 teaspoons salt or add salt as per the taste. Add the spice powder which we have kept aside. Add half cup curd. Mix well. Add the fried vegetables and mix again. Add half cup water, 2 tablespoons chopped coriander, 2 tablespoons lemon juice. Mix delicately and cook on low flame till the vegetables get tender. Achari Sabzi or vegetable curry with a pickle flavor is ready. Dish out and serve with flattened bread or Lachha Paratha or with plain or Zeera Rice. Thank you for watching. Please share, comment and like this video and do not forget to subscribe to our channel.